Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Here, click on Referral Program option. Here you can tap on Invite Friends option. As you can see that you can invite your friends through different social media accounts. For example, I'm gonna send this link through Messenger, so I'll tap on Chats option and send it to my friend. Now when this person will click on the invite link, he or she can view your Tango profile. So that is how you can invite friends on Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.